Hello, so the next question is, for a radioactive material, half-life is 10 minutes. If initially there are 600 number of nuclei, the time taken in minutes for the disintegration of 450 nuclei is option 1 20, option 2 15, option 3 30, and option 4 10. So let us see how. So as we know that the half-life is 10 minutes, which is equals to log 2 by lambda, and nuclei disintegrate at 450. So the nuclei left, we have total number and after disintegration, so 600 minus 450 we get 150. So as we know that n equals to n naught E minus lambda t, so that makes 150 equals to 600 E log minus log 2 by 10 into t. So if you calculate it, you will find that t equals to 20 minutes. Alright, so the correct answer is 20 minutes. Option number 1 is correct for the given question.